Hey guys, recently I've been getting asked a lot, Cody, you have so many uncut sheets, how are you framing them, what frames are you using, all that good stuff. So I actually need to run out and bring a frame to my shop. So I'm going to run out there, give you guys a quick look, and then I'm going to go into all the details on what I use. See you in a second. So this is the frame that I use. I got these from Walmart. They actually sell them in packs of 2 as well. I think with the packs of 2, when I bought them, they were $15 a piece, and when you buy them and just singly, it's I think 18 to 20 when I bought them. Again, I bought a bulk of them because I love uncut sheets, and it's a little bit of a problem at this point. But the size that I buy and the brand, they're called Mainstays, and this is actually 24 by 30. I found that this is a great size for the sheets, and I'm kind of cheap actually when it comes from my frames. Like I said, it's only a $15 frame anyway, so it's not like you're spending a ton. But when you have a ton of uncut sheets, it gets expensive really quick, especially when you're doing, $50 frames, $100 frames. So what I actually do is I don't use a mat on my sheets, and I think it does show, but I think it also looks good. I don't think a mat's necessarily necessary. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back off this, and this kind of dummy picture that they have in here, I'm actually just going to flip it upside down, and it's just clean white on the back. So I will go ahead and throw in one of these new uncut sheets I got. Well, this frame actually has a little bit of a crack in it, but with that aside, this is what it's looking like now. Not too bad, honestly. Especially my wife is usually here to help me level it out. You can see it's not quite square, but not bad for this guy. Anyways, again, it's honestly a great option. I think it looks great for for a $15 frame, and for just being able to do it really quickly with no hassle with mats or anything like that. I think it's a pretty good alternative to some of the options out there. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what your favorite uncut sheets are. I'm always on the lookout for more. We're running out of wall space, but yeah, we'll catch you next time.